How's it going, guys? Welcome back. This is just a very quick update. Stash ads, as you can see, I got the two kits I mentioned yesterday that I had given a down payment of. It went over and paid the rest today. €65 each, €120 for the two kits. I really wanted this drag truck kit. I've seen it in all user stashes and a few uses. I had built it in the past as well, so I really wanted that. Now that they're at getting all the bigger scale AMT in and MPC into my local, hopefully we start getting the smaller cars as well, the 124 scale. But this is only a 125th scale drag truck, so yeah, I got this and I got the new Petty. I'm sure it's new, the 116 scale Petty Charger, 16 Super 116 scale Petty 1973 Dodge Charger MPC kit. So it has all this, it shows all the extras it has with it and what to expect from it. As you can see, I'm happy now. This is my second 116 scale kit that I have. I've a 120 scale kit, and then I've a 112 scale, and then the rest are just 124. A few 125. Not many 125, but the big jack stands and all you get extra in this, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think you get 8 jack stands, unless it's makes it look like 8. That's probably just one jack stand, one of them, which would make more sense actually when I think about it. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. You can see the engine, all the chassis parts and all that. So yeah, I don't know the user now over there in the US. Is this a new release kit in 116 scale? I just know that I'm not going to be stuck for any of these type of kits now anymore, so I'm happy in that sense. I can get them myself now over across the road. There is still going to be a few that I won't be able to get, the ones that they don't get, like I asked them to start getting Hasegawa as well. I said I'm sure people will dive on them too. So yeah, he has a wrecker. I ended up getting a wrecker truck as well. I gave him money off that and told him to put it aside. So he put that aside for me, the red wrecker. So yeah, that's it, lads. That's all I got today. These two today. I have started on the Nova as the grill build started yesterday. So just trying to get done what I can. It just depends on what year we are in when you're doing them. But I just thought I'd update you on these, let you know I got them, because I've been wanting this truck for ages and I was looking for it. It was cheaper online, to be honest, €65 each, but this is not bad for a 116 scale. I'm sure it's a new release Petty 116 scale Charger. So yeah, I'm happy with this one being 116 and getting, like, I spend that same price on 124th scale cars that I spent on this. So I actually spent dearer on 124 scale cars than I did on this. The Belv kits, they're all dearer than this. The likes of these kits, they're only 124. But yeah, chuffed now. It comes with 2 different sets of decals, I think, this truck. So I know it says something about the decals. There's the blue ones. Hobby kit age 12 and up. I just think it's cool the way it's a proper truck. It's a drag truck. I like the colour scheme on that one, on the back of the trailer. I like the truck trailer that it's being towed on too. But there it says Retro Deluxe Special features, colourful decal sheet with multiple options. Over 165 detailed parts. Style packaging. So yeah, that's sealed cellophane wrapped like use kits over in America. They never use like that from Ireland. We don't get them wrapped like Tanmea and all doesn't be wrapped. I know when you get them brand new over there, most of the time they're wrapped, but we don't get them wrapped. I think it's just because they check to make sure everything is in the boxes before they put them up. Well, thanks for watching, lads. Stay safe, key to. Bye.